How to enable call recording on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn on call recording on your Android device. First, open your phone app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, scroll down and look for the Record Calls option and tap on it. In the next step, tap on Auto Record Calls toggle to turn it on. This will automatically record all incoming and outgoing calls. Following this, if you only want to record calls from specific numbers, tap on Auto Record Selected Numbers and add the contacts you want recorded. Once done, go back and make a test call to confirm that recording is working. You will usually hear an announcement at the start of the call, letting both parties know the call is being recorded. From here, to find your recorded calls, go back to the phone app, tap on the three dots, go to Settings, and tap on Record Calls. Then tap Recorded Calls to access all your saved recordings. Finally, keep in mind that call recording laws vary by region, so make sure you are aware of the rules in your area before recording any calls. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you enable call recording, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.